Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn alphabets A to I. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Green color, thick green color, sky blue color, violet color, yellow color, pink color, brown color, red color, light pink color, black color, blue color and orange color. Let's draw alphabets. Red green color. A. A for apple. Black color. Small a. A for ant. A-N-T, ant. Orange color. B. B for ball. B-A-L-L, ball. Black color. Small b. B for bat. Blue color. C. C for cat. C for cat. Black color. Small c. C for cup. Green color. D. D for dinosaur. Small d. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for egg. E-G-G, egg. Small e. E for elephant. Sky blue color. F. F for fish. F for fish. Small f. F for flag. Violet color. G. G for goat. Small g. G for goat. Pink color. H. H for hat. Small h. H for horse. Red color. I. I for ink. Small I. I for ink. Once again learning alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. Okay. Bye kids. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye kids.